And here we go.
Show you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
What's going on, guys? Thanks for watching. So I don't do a lot of videos like this, but today I'm going to do my first sort of a unboxing video. So I decided to ask my nephew Jaden to come along and help us today showcase this to you and to me for the first time.
Hey guys, what's up? Allegiance Gamer here, and today I'm just helping my uncle do an unboxing video.
That's right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start cutting this open. Unfortunately, we do have a dull razor blade, which I'm not so sure I want him to use, and some scissors.
First one, see it? I saw it already. That's a cover.
Oh yeah. Here it is. I just wanted to jump in quick before we finish this video out, and I just wanted to say a couple things. I think that a lot of people are going to see this cover and they're going to like it. Obviously it looks cool. You know, you can check the condition of your belt, you can see what's going on inside, you know, without having to take the cover off. You can see what's going on with your primary, with your secondary, and all that stuff. But I think what's going to throw people off is the fact that it's in Israel, and that's not and should not throw you off, and I'll explain why. I live in a small town here, and I shipped my box to a small town there, which is about that many miles away. So I shipped my box out August 1st, received it back August 27th. It was shipped back from Israel August 23rd. So that's a pretty good turnaround time considering that it's overseas and missed a pandemic and all that. So I got my stuff back pretty fast, and I was going through and still am going through a trial process. We're working out kinks, we're figuring out what works and what doesn't work, and it's coming together. Another thing too is that the customer service and the attention to detail at AM Customized, from what my experience has been nothing short of really great. You know, he's walked with me hand in hand through a lot of processes and getting this put together. And in the awe, how he took getting me this cover so personal that it was like his agenda to get it done, and behind me is almost the finished product.